The production site of solar road studs usually adopts the assembly line operation method to ensure efficient and accurate completion of the production process. Ensure that all equipment on the solar road studs production line, such as cutting machines, welding machines, assembly machines, etc., are in good working condition. Debug automation equipment, including automatic laying systems for photovoltaic cells, cutting machines, welding robots, etc. Perform photoelectric performance tests on assembled solar road studs, including solar energy conversion efficiency, LED light brightness, control circuit stability, etc. Ensure that solar road studs products meet relevant standards and customer requirements. Check whether the product appearance is neat, without scratches or defects. During the production process of solar road studs, regularly maintain and service the equipment to ensure normal operation of the equipment and extend its service life. Train operators on the production line to improve production efficiency and product quality.